Hi, my name is John, and I make dumb videos about guitars in my basement. Today we're going to do an unboxing. What I have today is the cable-free guitar zero gravity strap. And I kept seeing ads for this on Facebook over and over and over. Guess they know their niche. Anyway, the algorithm was right. And I saw the comments begin to grow. I first saw it and I was like, yeah, okay, whatever. And then more and more comments, and so I have a pretty strong rule about don't read the comments, but I dug in, and there was a lot of people saying how much they liked it, blah, 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 blah. And I have an 11-pound Les Paul, and I thought to myself, okay, for 40 bucks or whatever it was, 47 with shipping, I'll try it. Ordered it on Monday. Today is a Friday, and it's arrived. So quick shipping, kudos. Box. And so we open the box, and the strap. And because I love Cheap Trick, I got the checkerboard because why wouldn't I? Let me show the other things that are in there too. There's a sticker, reads, I have too many guitars, said no one ever. Oddly enough, I've said that recently. I said that today because I'm one guitar too heavy right now. I need to trim down because I'm not giving them enough fair time. Comes with the string for the acoustic players, QR code where they're apparently going to try to sell me more stuff. Comes with some picks that I'm sure I will never use, and it comes with a couple of these rubber O-ring strap locks, which I use. I have a couple straps with locks built into them, but on the straps I don't have that I use these. And how I discovered these is because this is what Bonamassa uses, and if he's using it on real rare 59, 58, 60, 61 Les Pauls, whatever he's doing with them, good enough for Joe, it's good enough for me and his vintage instruments. Alright, I'm going to set this down, and I'm going to go grab my 11-pound guitar. And it is here. And it is a beast. Oh, let me add, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for that with my own money. So this review is going to be completely 100% honest. If it's great, it's great. If it's not, it's not. So when I strapped this bad boy on, he was a pretty thick strap. And most of the weight I could feel in my lower back. That's where it's kind of pulling. And it does tend to hunch me over a little bit. And what that does is, because I'm a fat dude, squeezes my belly up into my diaphragm, and it does make my breathing different. I can even hear it now. When I'm playing this guitar, my breathing is more labored, and I know I should get more exercise. Yeah, I know, I get it. Whoops. So that's it with the strap that I use. Now I use this thick leather strap. So I'm gonna put on the cable-free zero gravity and see what we got. That bad boy there, and because I'm holding the guitar pretty tight, I'm not going to put on the strap locks. Goes on there. It's double stitched here. My understanding is this is vegan leather, so as not to offend you hippies out there. Don't get me wrong, I love you hippies. The weight seems to now have moved from my back to my shoulder and across my back shoulder blade. So the guitar doesn't feel lighter. It doesn't feel like it's pulling me over. So there's that. It's comfortable. I'll show you, take it off and show you. Zero gravity, I don't think that's the right name. And I noticed in the ad, people are like, oh, it makes my guitar so light. Yeah, I got an 11-pound guitar. I can tell that. But I think it does shift the weight from my back and pulling me over a little bit to more of my shoulders where I can feel I can stand more upright. So what grade do I give it? Passing. It's good. I don't think it's everything it's cracked up to be. I think, buyer beware. Your guitar is not going to feel lighter, but it'll probably feel, what's the word I'm looking for? Less, not hefty, bulky? I don't know. Anyway, so, yeah, pretty good. I would say it's worth, because of what you pay for leather straps, thicker leather straps, I'd say it's worth it. I'm going to take the strap off, put the guitar away, and kind of show you all the fun stuff with it. So, right there, you can see the double stitching along the outside. This is not stitched, but I don't know that normally would be. And you can tell it's a pleather or a leather. This is a pretty nifty little thing here. You can use this little thing to stick some picks in there, which I don't know if you, let me see here. I always have a pick right there in the strings. I don't lose a lot of picks, but I do lose them. So there's that. Lots of these little bubbly things here, and I think that's part of what makes it comfortable. It feels okay. It's not leather, but it's a very soft. It's a neoprene, so it's very soft. So it feels different than leather, but I would say that that's not a complaint. And this part that really never touches anything, I'm not worried about. But yeah, overall, I think it's money well spent. I'm not going to rave about it, and it's not like I'm going to have to buy one for every guitar I own. But I'm glad I bought it. I will leave it on at least that, or I'll use it for my heavier Les Pauls, like the Gold Top weighs 9 pounds, and can use it on that. But yeah, so that's it. Hope you liked the video. If you didn't, I'm sorry.